Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. I'm unboxing here because I want to change out into this purse and I want to, you know, share the experience and the first impressions with everyone. So it is a Dooney and Bourke, it is, and it still is in its original box. I did, however, open it already, like cut the box open, and it is a Salmon mini satchel Florentine, and it says on the packaging this is number 16 out of 25. The ship date or whatever on here is 7/22/25. So I don't know if this bag was actually made or manufactured, hand sewn. I don't know that date. I have been having my eye on this. I knew I did not want it in a large, and I knew I did not want it in a regular satchel, just too big for the color for me. So I kind of waited. This is one of those colors that when I've always been a Florentine fan. That's first of all. Let me fix my mic. I've always been a Florentine fan, but I'm in the market to actually purchase these bags because, as you know, if you're new, I'm a mother of three. All of my children are grown. My last is in college. He just had a birthday, 24, so he's in the engineering program. He'll be in school for probably the next 2 years, getting his engineering degree. But so I'm actually can afford to do these type of things for myself. So again, I've known about Florentine. This is not a new leather with Dooney and Bourke. It's just new to me. So pardon my excitement that I'm able to purchase these things. So I got this really, really cheap. And I want to say that I got this bag last year. So it's been sitting because I have an empty nest, so I have a lot of storage space. So how do you allow a bag to sit this long, Latasha? Because I have a 4 bedroom and not all of my children live with me anymore. So I decided, because for me, this is more of, you can carry this in the fall as well. I've seen women, decorate this bag in the fall. Um, See, overall, the leather, it feel good. It is an interesting color. This is one of those colors that it have to grow on you. So like I said, it's in the mini. I didn't want it real big. I have all sizes. No, I take that back. I don't have a nano. I'm not interested in a nano. I think a nano is good for like a little weekend, or you're on an outing and you just want to carry, small things like maybe your phone, lipstick, hand sanitizer, hand lotion, some things like that. And of course, with Dooney, they're going to give you a dust cloth. Dooney and Coach, because those seem to be the popular brand right now, especially with content creators and social media. Dooney give you a dust cloth no matter where you shop. I love Dooney or regular Dooney. It's going to be the same blue dust cloth, unless they change it up. Coach, not so much. And Coach, may I suggest maybe you should sell your bags for $5 like Michael Kors. So I'm changing into this bag today, and that's the reason why I'm unpacking it. Like I said, I got this last year and it was so cheap. It was like maybe 100 and some change. You probably will not be able to get it for that cheap. It was one of those bags, I think it was like a glitch, and everything went down for like a few hours. And this was one of the bags that I was able to get. Now that I have all of the Dooney and Bourkes that I think I would want right now, I'm gonna put you in on a little bit secret, you guys. If you want to get your Dooneys for cheap, you need to get up around 3 to 5 o'clock. Is the best time to be on the website. And these bags, sometimes the prices are so cheap around that time. And then when everyone wake up, the same people that are not shopping at 4 o'clock in the morning. when the same people get up, and that's when the prices go up. So some people don't have time for that. They're like, I'll just pay full price. Not me. I don't pay full price. Not even this sweater and this dress I have on did I pay full price for. If I could get a coupon code, discount, any of that, I'm gonna be on it. Now, one thing I do notice that Dooney's free shipping coupon codes are no longer working, and yeah, so we're having to pay that. What is it, $10 or something like that to have it shipped? But when I started my collection, I got a lot of purses shipped for free. I did. So yeah, if you're looking to, build your collection or just start and you want a Florentine bag, because this is a timeless bag. Once all the fads and all the powder pink and no one's talking about them anymore, this bag right here, people will still be carrying it. It's made so well. The equestrian look is a timeless look. So I would build me a collection if you like this bag. Um, I do shop between Dooney.com and I Love Dooney because sometimes you can find things cheaper on Dooney.com. It just depends, right? I love the whip stitching on here. It is brown tomorrow on this salmon. What else? I really don't want to use a box cutter to cut this because I don't want to cut this leather by accident. Do I like this bag? Yes. It took me a minute because, like I said, this is one of the bags that sit on the website. And I'm thinking, I don't like that color. But I seen a young lady, she decorated it so cute. And I will leave her handle um, underneath the video. She had the little bow and it was orange and it was just cute. And I was like, I gotta have this first. Didn't want it. Again, I did not want it in large. I didn't want it in the regular satchel. This is perfect for me. This mini. I think today I only have one micro, and that is my first satchel, first Florentine satchel I bought. I bought it in the micro, and it's cute. It is heavy. It is small, and I don't want another one because it's too small for me. With me being, a little bit more mature, I have to carry a fan around because I'm hot flash, ladies. So, yep, I'm just trying to keep everything clean. Here's the strap. You can I think you can crossbody all of them. I do have, I think maybe one or two large, which I won't carry. Oh, I was thinking, did they forget to put this side? No, and I can't return this bag because I bought this last year and it's June of this year. Like, what? Okay, here we go. And it's not standing up right. There we go. So they did have some Florentine wallets. They did for Memorial Day, and I think they were like $90. I was not willing to spend $90 for a wallet, so I didn't. However, they did have this. Ladies, I was able to get this 4 wallets for $125. This is really close. Look at that. This is coral. This is the Greta in coral, but I kind of knew it would look good together. And I have to have a place where, let's take all this out. So this was a recent purchase, like I said, Memorial Day. And shop, it's just a zip around that I don't know how many, I hope this, once I feel it, I hope it don't do that. Okay. So a zip around, I don't know what it carry, and I'm going to get a little closer so everyone can see the color. Okay. It goes pretty good. Let's cut the light off so we can see. How about that? Okay, I'm about to put the light back on. So it's not really bad. It looks good in person. That's why I wanted to cut the light off. So yeah, this Greta is pretty cute with this. So I think I got this wallet. So if I bought four wallets, and they were like $125, and that was with shipping because I wasn't able to. I scoured the internet trying to find a free shipping coupon code for Dooney and Bourke, and they like, nope, you're gonna pay for shipping, ladies. So I was fine with that. I'm gonna keep this tag. Put this. I don't know. Maybe I'll put it in the purse because I'm gonna actually use this wallet. So in my zip pocket, I usually try to keep the paperwork and everything. And inside of here is the the warranty. We already know what a Florentine satchel look like. One slip on the side, a zip and a slip on the other side. I'm gonna put this in here as well, the paperwork. And I usually store this in my zip. And I'm gonna take this part off as well and put it in my zip. Do I think that I would ever sell this bag? Probably not. Not my Florentine. No. But I want to keep the paperwork. So I know when it was made and what number it was, and all that good stuff. So I got this stuffed in here. And what did I bring to? Let's take the dust bag out. Olga too. She has a Florentine and made me fall in love. So that was another YouTuber that I thought, okay, you know, look at this brown flower on here. She cute. And this is a Coach chain. And this what we do. We gonna share. And so I'm just gonna put it next to the see if we can get it on here next to the tassel. Uh, hmm. um Dooney and Bourke do not spare expense with their hardware. Like, it's sturdy, okay? It is very, very sturdy. Yep, that's all I'm gonna do with her. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack her up, move over into the wallet, and enjoy her for a few weeks. Oh, let me show you guys what I'm in now. This is what I'm carrying right now. This is the Dooney and Bourke. I think this is the 28, and maybe the 25 canvas drawstring. I have a lot in her. She's heavy. And I just got my little horseshoe and my little feng shui charm. But I think this is the 25. And if I'm not mistaken, and I just have on a maxi dress. It's from Old Navy. It's pretty aged. I've had it for a while. And my cardigan, my office cardigan. I did bring my Kindle because I'm going to be here. I'm going to listen to the Harry Potter um, movie, a book, my vitamin, pencil pouch. I'll start unpacking here. All my pouches. Who else have trouble remembering what's in these pouches? Is it just me? Okay, so hand sanitizer. This is my I need this because I'm always having to clip my fingernails. So for sure. Hand cream, business cards. This is my wallet I'm about to change into. Did I drop the Greta? Am I sitting on it? Where is it at? I don't know. I won't hold everyone up any longer. I'm just going to throw everything in here because I got to get back to work. I wanted to open it and give you my first impression. Here it is. So let's get rid of this. So I'm just in this leather pouch. I'm going to move into here. And so far, everything is going to fit in there. I knew that. Because my Kindle and everything, I'm going to carry it in a tote. So when my purse don't fit what I need it to, because I like that purse, I just carry a tote. No, I'm not gonna, every one of my bags cannot be a large bag. And my keys will fit in here. So the mini is the perfect size, the truth be told. It's not too big, it's not too small. It is the perfect size, but it's hard to catch the colors in the mini because it's not heavy at all. It's not too big. See, I wouldn't want this in a large. This color is just too loud for a large for me. But yeah, this is what I'm carrying along with this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see everyone in the next unboxing, which probably will be a different color because I'm trying to, get in as much content as possible because I'm so busy right now. So it's going to be the same dress. You guys, it's going to be a week apart and it's going to be another Dooney unboxing. See you in the next video.